In just about 2 weeks, so many of us will be sitting down with family and friends for Thanksgiving. But as you're working on your list and getting ready for the holiday, doctors say there's something you need to do this week to protect yourself and your loved ones.
Now is a great time to get vaccinated before the holidays, before you're traveling anywhere, to protect yourself and hopefully to prevent spreading any illness. So it takes about 2 weeks after you're vaccinated for your body to build up good protection.
It's an important reminder as we head into the holiday season. We sat down with a nurse from Corwell Health and the head of the Kent County Health Department to talk vaccine guidance. Vaccines have been in the news a lot more recently, but most of the core recommendations remain the same. We asked about the big ones, the flu and the COVID vaccines, now that we're in the season ripe for respiratory viruses.
We do continue to recommend the COVID vaccine for all people 6 months of age and older. And that's an opinion that is shared by the vast majority of healthcare providers. It's saved millions of lives in the past few years and prevented many more hospitalizations, including last year's, which had about 64% effectiveness in preventing hospitalizations, which is a huge number.
The state of Michigan has basically said that anybody not vaccinated is at high risk for COVID. So if you're considered high risk, you can get the COVID vaccine. It will be covered by all insurance plans.
When it comes to the flu vaccine, those are recommended for anyone 6 months and older.
I think people underestimate how severe influenza is, and that it's not just the sniffles or the stomach flu, which is completely wrong. It can be quite severe, and it can lead to pneumonia and other complications. Last year, we saw the highest number of hospitalizations here in West Michigan in 15 years. Statewide, we lost 14 children. We lost a couple here in Kent County.
If you've ever wondered if getting the shot will make you sick, listen to this.
I think a lot of people, when they get maybe a little bit of a fever, maybe a little bit of a headache, body aches after their flu vaccine, they think that's the flu. That's not the flu, that's your immune response. That's your body building up those antibodies to protect you.
And speaking of building up that protection, as you heard, it takes 2 weeks, which is why this is something to get done in the next couple of days if you want to be protected in time for Thanksgiving. There's much more to our conversation with Corwell Health and the Kent County Health Department, and it's especially important for parents and little kids. We'll have that part of our story for you tomorrow. I'm Janice Allen, Fox 17 News.